G'day, I'm Richard, I'm a handyman in Pāpāmoa. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix cracked, rotten or damaged weatherboards like this with products you can pick up at your local Resene ColorShop. Here today you can see vertical shiplap cladding with some cracking down the bottom. Not only is that unsightly, but it's letting water in which can cause further damage. The product we're using to repair these weatherboards is called Repair Care. It's a specialised product that you'll only find at your Resene ColorShop. But by following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a long-lasting repair. First step in our process is to remove the paint from the area you're going to be working. I'm going to do that by starting with a scraper and then using a little Orbital sander. Whether your aim is to repair a crack or remove and repair rot like I've got here, first you need to remove an area of timber around the repair for the repair care to sit in. Now if you've just got a tiny little job and one little crack, you might get away with being able to scrape it out and sand out the gap. But I've got quite a bit of work to do here, so I'm using a die grinder with a little rounded over router bit. Then I'm going to use a multi-tool. So as you can see, the condition of these boards really varies and you don't know until you start removing the bad timber. If you're just repairing a crack, you want to remove about 5mm either side of the crack, creating about a 1 centimetre channel that you're going to fill with repair care. But if you're removing rot, you've got to take it all the way back to good timber. Dry fix is a 2-part solution, and this just helps for the repair care to really stick to the surface. Now it's time to start filling our repairs. This is a dry flex one. This is perfect for filling little cracks, really small, shallow repairs, sort of up to 15mm deep, 1 hour dry time. But for my bigger rot repairs, I'll be using a dry flex 4. So that's a 4-hour dry time, but you can do repairs up to 50mm deep. So with a small, shallow repair, it's as simple as pushing it in, smoothing it off. If you're unfortunate enough to have a bit more of a rot repair, it's a little bit more to it. What I'm going to use is a bit of Perspex here, and I'm going to screw it in underneath here so I can build up an edge to fill up to. But it's important with these deeper repairs that you build it up from the back. It helps the repair care to bind with the timber. When you use repair care, you're using a flexible product that will actually move and expand and contract with the timber, stopping those cracks reappearing, meaning you've got a really long-lasting repair. We're going to start things off with the Resene Quick Dry Water-Based Primer, and we're going to follow that up with the Resene Lumbersider and Resene Bison Hide. When you finish each board, if you lay it off up into the existing paintwork, and that will just help to really blend it in. Paint fades over time. Speak to the team at Resene and they'll help you match the colour perfectly. Using Repair Care, Quick Dry Primer and Lumbersider from Resene, you too can make professional quality repairs to any rot, damage or cracks in the weatherboards at your house.